And to the state capture inquiry, Judge Tintswalo Makhubele's application for postponement of her testimony at the state capture inquiry, seeking the postponement because she hired a new legal team to represent her. The judge also wants the Commission's evidence leader, Soni, to be recused. Makhubele is facing allegations of gross misconduct before the Judicial Services Commission. That is linked to her time as chair of the PRASA board. It relates to her involvement and alleged interference in litigation with one of the company's suppliers, Siyaya Rail Regulators. Reporter Manqoba Mchunu is following proceedings for us today. He joins us via Skype. So why the request then for another postponement, and what has the response been?
Well, certainly, Jeremy, I think we've spent the past 3 hours of the State Capture Commission this morning listening to really a litany of excuses from Judge Makhubele as to why she should not give her testimony today, why that testimony should be postponed by the Commission today. So the first reason that she has given is that she simply has had not enough time to prepare for the Commission, given the sense that she has a new lawyer that has taken over the matter. She says that the previous lawyers that were representing her, we recall on that hearing on the 24th of July, have withdrawn from the case, and this is due to the pressure that is associated with the testimony. She says that the time frames that the Commission has given to her to prepare are simply impossible, and that's the reason why her legal team has also pulled out. So she has now appointed a new lawyer, the former NPA boss, Manqoba to deal with the matter. And so she says he hasn't had time to consult with him at all. In fact, she says that even the affidavit that she has presented, that she has filed to the Commission, Manqoba simply had not had time to even peruse it, to look at its content. So she says she feels very embarrassed at the fact that she has to give testimony, given the circumstances that even her own lawyer has not been able to read or could answer to some of the questions that have been thrown to her by the Commission chair. Of course, another issue that she's also raised is the fact that she still hasn't received some of the evidence and some of the transcripts from some of those who gave evidence, including the head of legal risk and compliance at PRASA, Matangoye. And she says this is simply not prepared enough to give testimony. That's the reason why she had asked for a postponement, but the chair obviously not buying it and not convinced. He denied and dismissed her application for a postponement, saying that she clearly had enough time, given the fact that a Rule 3.3 notice was served on her as early as February. So she had enough time to prepare to come to the Commission. He says that her evidence before the Commission will be factual, based on factual evidence that was given, and not really delve into the other issues. The issues, of course, that we're talking about is the issue before the Judicial Services Commission on her allegation of gross misconduct for her taking that position while she was also appointed a judge. So the chair deciding that the hearing perhaps should go on today, but then she raised yet another matter, asking for the evidence leader, Soni, to recuse himself from the Commission.
All right, we'll see what happens as that proceeds. Manqoba, thank you very much.